What's up, guys? This is your boy Eric. Today we're gonna be eating the jalapenos, the harder ones. Alright, this is my boy Clay, Omar. Okay, mira. Gonna be eating two today. Alright. Oh man, they're hot. They're very hot. Look. Damn, they're hot. Damn it. Damn it, boy. Look. Damn it. Ooh, boy. Man, they're hot. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Otro, okay. Otro. We're going to get another one.
One more.
One more.
A little one.
Oh, look at this little tiny one. Wait. It fell. Look, little tiny. Ooh. Damn, God. Damn it. It's hot. Damn. Ooh, man. Oh, I don't know, guys, but they're hot. They're homegrown, and they're hot, very hot. Whew, man. Let me see. Am I crying? I'm crying? No, I ain't crying. Yeah, they're hot. They're hot, guys. They're hot. You crying? No, I ain't crying. I ain't crying because I'm a brave man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a brave man. But you know, guys, just let me know. Subscribe to my channel and like and comment below if you want me to see eating the Blazing Wing Challenge. Just let me know. Give me 10 likes. All right. Thanks and have a good day.